What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited you're here. You are in for a treat with this one. Collard green wraps filled with all your protein and vegetables and the easiest on the go and to pack lunch ever. Stay tuned until the end to see how I wrap these bad boys and fill them up with all that good stuff. So this time around, I've gotten all these ingredients from Walmart, but I've definitely gotten them from Trader Joe's, Whole Food stores, or just about any place where I can find some nice, fresh groceries. Let's go ahead and get our water going. We're gonna set that inside and let it boil for our collard greens. Also grab another pot so we can go ahead and let these beans cook on a nice, low setting, letting them simmer as we get ready to slice up our vegetables. So let's go ahead and slice and dice our vegetables and get ready to prep those. Here we have some red onion and mushrooms that will be added to our tofu mixture, as well as slicing some beets and some lovely avocado. Love avocado, my absolute favorite, and set those aside for when we get ready to prepare our wraps. So let's go ahead and get some avocado oil, heat it up in a pan, and get ready to add our onions and mushrooms so we can saute them and get them ready for our tofu mix. And you guys honestly just need to hear the way these onions sizzle on the pan. It is the sounds of heavens, okay? I am telling you, check it out. So now that we got a little AMSMR out the way, let's go ahead and continue cooking up, adding our mushrooms to our sauteed onions and getting ready to throw in our tofu as well. I'm scrambling them up here just a little bit, breaking it up as I go ahead and add the tofu. Here's where you can add any of your favorite seasonings that you liked. I did a little bit of paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic salt, some pepper, some Himalaya salt, and really just combined all those ingredients together and got it nice and toasted. All right, I did also add a little bit of vegan cheese. I did that off screen. So still a great meal. Add whatever you like here. This is your meal. Go ahead and empty out your salad mix into a bowl. I went ahead and got the kale and shredded carrot, as well as pecans and dried cranberry salad mix for this one. I love to sprinkle my salad mix with a little bit of lemon, and it just adds a different type of flavor to it. So go ahead and mix that all up and set aside so we can go ahead and start preparing our collard greens to be wrapped. So when it comes to picking out your collard green leaves, make sure that you get a leaf that is big, all right? You want to make sure that it's big enough to fill all of your favorite ingredients with, and make sure that it doesn't have too many holes, because once it starts to have too many holes, your fillings are going to fall out and it's just not going to be a very neat wrap. So these are really good to make wraps out of. They stay pretty neat. So make sure you just find ones that don't have too many holes in them and they are really big bunches of leaves. All right, again, this meal is so inexpensive. It's like $15 altogether, and you can get about 5 to 6 wraps out of this, and that normally lasts me about 3 days. So I mean, we just prepped. How beautiful is that? So also, when it comes to washing your collard greens, please, my friend, wash, and then wash again, okay? Because I literally found a spider web. Yes, a spider web in one of my collard greens. Oh my gosh. Clean them good. They come from the ground, they come from the earth, all right? They coming out of the dirt. Make sure that you wash your vegetables properly, okay? So once you got those all rinsed and washed and well, wash them again. I'm not going to stress that enough. Wash them another time, and then one more time after that, and then one more time, and then you might be good. All right. Oh, and hey, mom, she came to do a nice little photo bomb right in the middle of my video. So there's that. So now that our boiling water is nice and ready to go for our collard greens, let's go ahead and steam them. I like to steam mine for about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on how soft I really want them. All right, grab some tongs and go ahead and push those stems down so they can get nice and boiled as well. Yes, they might be thick, but I'm definitely going to show you how to go ahead and thin those out so you won't even notice that they are there. All right. So now that our collard greens are nice and steamed, let's go ahead and remove them from the boiling water and get ready to thin out that stem. Now, if you like your stem and you like the crunch that it gives, by all means go ahead and keep it. But I just don't like how thick it is, so I'm gonna go ahead and thin it out just a little bit. You're gonna go lay your collard green on the flattest surface. You'll notice that the stem is thicker on one side. All right, so you want that side facing up, and you're literally just gonna run your knife down the stem, being careful not to cut any holes in between the leaf. So taking it from the top of the stem and literally carving it down all the way to the bottom of the stem. And then go ahead and cut off that extra little piece of the stem so we can make sure that we're able to wrap our burrito nice and tightly. Finally, the fun part, wrapping our collard green wraps. Start with your roasted red pepper hummus, then add on your black beans. Next, you'll add the tofu, the kale salad mixture, the beets, and finally, my favorite, the avocado. Go ahead and make sure you have a nice size for your leaf. Don't overstuff them, all right? It makes it harder to fold. When it comes to folding, I want you to think Chipotle, all right? Getting all of your ingredients to the end of your wrap, really pushing and stuffing them to the end. Then go ahead and fold it on up, and I like to tuck in the sides as I'm rolling and making sure all the ingredients stay in, and then just tucking the sides as I go. All right, that is the best way to wrap these things. I am telling you. Fold, get to the end, tuck the sides, roll, tuck, roll, tuck. Easiest thing. And there you have it, a nice healthy vegan wrap, easy to go, made out of collard greens, less than $15, and you can easily go ahead and pack and store in the fridge for later. All right, I love them. I love them. Boom. There it is, collard green wraps, complete, done, stored in the fridge for later, and they taste so good. A full wrap packed with all your vegetables, black beans, a vegan lunchtime meal, perfect for on the go eating. All right, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you do not miss any more recipes or fit tips, workouts, or mental health advice, as well as if you like something in this video, or if you're thinking about doing a remake of this wrap, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, and then tag me on Instagram when you get your remakes done. I want to see what you guys are eating and what you guys put into your wraps. All right, I'm gonna catch you guys back here for another video. Remember, health is wealth. Live in it. Be well. Be happy. Be contagious. Be a light. And give somebody some positivity today. I'm going to catch you guys later. Peace.